recent law graduate contacted me and he was very disappointed that the Supreme Court's decision of 3 years mandatory litigation period before giving an exam of judiciary, and he was dejected that he thought in the first attempt or second attempt at least he can clear the judiciary exams. So now the problem is for him that how will he earn some amount which can give him some sustenance, and how does he keep himself motivated for next 3 years? This is a very important question. So I suggested that at least start going to the district courts or whichever court is nearby, or at least have relationships with a few friends or few lawyers who are working, who are practicing at that level, and they can give you appearances, or you can go to a few cases. And second, so that you have some amount of money that is coming in, it is very important to have a good drafting skill. So the drafting skill can be handy both in litigation and in non-litigation. If I suggested that if he's friends with those lawyers practicing district courts, maybe he can do drafting work for them. Yeah, and the rest of the time he can just study. It's very important that you study very hard for judiciary exams. And second aspect is in non-litigation kind of situation where the contracts are needed to be drafted, he can also help in such situations. Say for example, there is a company which needs a privacy contract to be executed. So the subject matter may seem daunting at first, but if you learn about it a little bit and put in some effort, all these contracts can also be drafted. So any contracts which has to do with companies, they can be very handy, so that it will build the confidence and you will have some sort of sustenance, and you can keep preparing for judiciary and crack it hopefully in 3 years.